Hey yo everyone, Blaze here, welcome back to another video on AO Blank. So right now we're continuing the streak of August comebacks with B2B-BLUE's When It Rains. Now I'm just gonna be real with y'all, I'm still a new B2B fan, so I haven't really listened to anything BTOB-BLUE, which I heard they released something about a year ago. But if there's one thing I learned right now is trust B2B, because every single B2B song I've heard so far whenever they come back is just absolutely gold, and it's seriously a crime that this video only has like 1 million views in like a week, the two videos combined, but oh well. At least people like me appreciate it, so let's appreciate it together. When It Rains, B2B-BLUE. In 3, 2, 1, hit the playback. Oh. I can already tell from the sound this is going to be something beautiful. This is meditation material right here. Oh, dude. Dude. I love this style of music. I'm looking at things with subtitles too, by the way, so hopefully I'll understand something. Okay, my boy, I see you. Again, I'm still a new fan, so I don't know all the names for sure, so again, that's where the comment section can help. If I had a B2B light stick, I'd be waving it right now, like. Huh. Okay. Okay, what's gonna happen? And by coincidence, there's a good chance of rain today. It's fate. Oh. Love the rain. Hey, same here, man. I like listening to the rain. I love the way the rain smells. Same. Oh, I just hit my computer. I don't like the rain. Oh, we all have preferences. Aww. Oh, dude. Hit me right there. I know Q's getting in a lot of trouble right now, but when it comes to having artists develop their craft, they're one of the best companies for it. Wow. If you can hear something going on in the other room, that's my mom and dad, so sorry. Sorry if I'm not saying much, I'm just mesmerized by this video. I know, just go out there and just take a whiff of the rain. What was that about? Just two good friends having time together, I guess? Okay, so... like... what's going on? Okay, they're all gathered together. I guess I must have missed something because I have no idea what's going on. Again, I don't understand these theories and like deep stuff, so you have to tell me in the comments. Wow. Just, wow. Well, I mean, as I said before, trust B2B. Like, I kind of regret not becoming a fan of them, like, way back before, like, even in their debut or something like that, because literally all the music I've heard so far, all the new music they've been putting out has just been absolute gold, and like I said in my previous reactions, I'm just so glad that they're just now starting to get the recognition that they truly deserve, but they're just still criminally underrated, and I wish the best of luck for B2B. And you know what really stinks is that Minhyun is supposed to be enlisting in the army pretty soon. Wait, you said who? Okay, I meant to say Minhyuk instead of Minhyun, but even then, I was still wrong. It's Eunkwang that's gonna be enlisting in the army, so sorry. But anyways, back to old me. Man, like, we're probably not gonna see a complete B2B again for at least a few years, which, but oh well, it's their mandatory military service, so they have to do what they do to serve the country, but I mean, like, I was just starting to get into B2B, and now they're not going to be as active anymore because members will be going into the army one by one, and I don't know if I'll be able to wait that long for new B2B, man. The vocals were just absolutely brilliant, the music was so good, the video very soothing and relaxing. It's like it's like one of those songs that you would absolutely listen to when you're falling asleep. And of course, I like my upbeat pop stuff, but I do have a soft spot for the ballads and stuff like that, and if they're good. And this one was amazing. Just, if you don't stand B2B, please do. They're good, they sing well, they compose well, and they're funny as heck. So anyways, these are just my opinions. What are your guys' opinions? Put it down in the comments down below. Sorry. This is Blakester, and you're watching Ayo Blakester, so until the next video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more. Follow me on Twitter if you want to. Have a wonderful day, God bless y'all, and yeah. Peace out, Bay Scouts.
Bye.